सो 11th रेगुलर प्रोग्राम के लिए ओम साई कृष्णा सर मैथ्स क्लासेस में आपके लिए वेलकम. दिस इज स्पेशली फॉर IIT JEE मेंस and advanced program for 11th and 12th continuously. So because of lockdown, ये जो लॉकडाउन के वजह से नियरली अभी 2 to 3 months, okay, it will goes to the started the regular classes. रेगुलर क्लासेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए और टाइम लगेगा नियरली 2 to 3 months. सो उससे पहले अपन ये जो ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किए थे, ओके, तो 2 to 3 months मीन्स वी आर वेस्टिंग सो मच टाइम इन दैट. सो वो टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होना बोल के अभी अपन ये ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. So comes to our JEE mains and advance. So especially JEE mains and advance, our course is mathematics, for mathematics, and myself Krishna sir, I have 20 years experience in various institutions like Chaitanya Hyderabad, Narayana Hyderabad, and here Latur Shahu College, and in institutions, tuition classes also I have experience in 10 years, especially for IIT JEE mains and maths, mains and advanced maths subject. So comes to our subject mathematics. So the depth level means concept level is very important. Only formula based, yeah, only what do you have problems, more problems practicing, then we are not getting any IITs. So concept will be main important in this. Okay, so ये जो concept के लिए अपन level बहुत depth जाना पड़ेगा, उतना depth से अपने को करना पड़ेगा, और every topic के ऊपर command होना चाहिए. ओके, कुछ टॉपिक्स करेंगे, कुछ टॉपिक्स नहीं करेंगे बोले तो होता नहीं. ओके, एवरी टॉपिक के ऊपर कवर करेंगे अपन, तो JEE मेंस एंड एडवांस तो ऐसे हो जाएगा. ओके, ऐसे हो जाता है. तो उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम प्रैक्टिसिंग विथ कॉन्सेप्ट, ओके, एंड मोर डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम प्रैक्टिसिंग विथ कॉन्सेप्ट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो especially comes to our maths, we have 32 topics will be there, 32 topics, and in that 25 questions will be given in the JEE mains and advance, and paper level will be okay, average and above average, for especially for mains, and advanced level will be low difficult. Okay, so in this mains level or advanced level, nearly 2 to 3 topics will be covered for one question. 2 or 2 to 3 questions covered करता है एक क्वेश्चन, और questions will not be repeated, and okay, questions will not be repeated. तो अपन every topic में एक कितना questions, नया questions अपन करें तो उतना अच्छा होता है. So comes to our today we see about a simple starting a topic, a new topic. Okay, it is not there in our 10th level. 10th level पे भी आपको पता नहीं उसको, तो वो टॉपिक अपन स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं आज के लिए. ओके, एंड इट इज यूजफुल फॉर ऑल रिलेटेड, नियरली 32 टॉपिक्स इज देयर ना, उसके लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो कम्स टू आवर टॉपिक इज वी हैव, सो इसमें ये जो मैथमेटिक्स में जो है अपने को टॉपिक्स जो है वी आर डिवाइडिंग लाइक अलजेब्रा. ओके, वी आर डिवाइडिंग इनटू पार्ट्स ऑफ, वन इज अलजेब्रा, ओके, नेक्स्ट trigonometry, next geometry, next calculus, okay, calculus, and vector algebra, So we divide into these parts, total 11th and 12th, total program I am saying. Okay, so algebra means the number system is there. You have number system, exponents, powers. Okay, now there comes under algebra topic. And trigonometry, so what do you have? The trigonometric functions, ratios like sine, cos, tan. Okay, that related 10th class जो भी topic है, उसका extended topic will be there in our 11th and 12th. Geometry is you have two-dimensional geometry in 10th, 9th and 10th. Okay, that expansion will be there in here. Next calculus is it is a new topic. Means you have an idea about that. कुछ तो आइडिया होगा आपको डेरिवेटिव करते इंटीग्रेशन. ओके, नाउ दैट टॉपिक्स कवर्ड इन कैलकुलस. नाउ कम्स टू व्हाट वेक्टर अलजेब्रा. इट इज टोटली न्यू टॉपिक. ओके, सो कम्स टू व्हाट वी सी अबाउट. इसमें टोटली ये जो टॉपिक्स में एवरी टॉपिक हैज सेम इंपॉर्टेंस, बट व्हाट यू हैव कुछ तो चांसेस विल बी देयर इन कैलकुलस एंड इन अलजेब्रा. वी हैव मोर मार्क्स विल बी देयर कैलकुलस एंड इन अलजेब्रा. ओके, सो क्या मार्क्स होता है वो अपन बाद में देख सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो अबाउट व्हाट टाइप वन ऑफ द टॉपिक व्हिच विल बी कवर्ड इन ऑल दीज. ओके, नाउ दैट इज एक्चुअली one topic is logarithms and another one is functions. It is covered all the topics. So first we see about logarithmic functions. Logarithms. So our topic is logarithms. Okay, so before going to logarithm, we know about the functions, especially exponential function. Okay, this is also a new word I think you have, that is exponential function. So what is exponential function? We have 2 cube, 3 power 5, okay, 4 power 7, 7 power 2. बोले तो क्या है? The powers, base and having powers means the function which is in the form of a raised to x. Now this function is said to be the what? An exponential function. Okay, so in this exponential function, this a should be, a is greater than 0, and what is the condition is a should be not equal to 1. Okay, for example, a is greater than 0, so we start from 0.1 also. 0.1 power x means any real number. You take positive or negative, okay, for all real numbers x is. So now this function is said to be the what? An exponential function. Okay, so for example, you see that here y is equal to 2 raised to x. We are taking 2 raised to x. So you observe its graph. Now the graphs are main parts in our JEE mains and advanced graphs. Okay, because the problem will become easily solved by using main graphs. Okay, so what is y is equal to 2 raised to x. I want to take its graph. So x is equal to 0, you substitute 2 power 0, that gives 1. Okay, next x is equal to 1 we are substituting, so 2 power 1 is 2. x equal to 0 लिए तो 1, x equal to 1 substitute करे तो 2, x equal to 2 substitute करे तो 2 square, it gives what? 4. Yes. चलो we comes to I said what? X be the any real number. X is any real number, so positive, negative also. Shall we take -1? 2 raised to -1, that is 1 by 2. It gives 0.5, 0.5, half of 1. Here it is. Okay, 2 raised to -2, 2 power -2, x equal to -2 लिए अपन. 2 power -2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4, 0.25. This 0 and this 0.5 between them. Okay, so you continue like this. At last, what is the number is? Minus infinite to all real numbers are positive infinite. है ना? So whatever the last 2 raised to infinite will be minus infinite. What do you have? 2 raised to minus infinite. it gives 1 by 2 raised to infinite, है ना, x equal to minus infinite we are substituting. Then 1 upon something power infinite is what? Again infinite. पता है ना? 2 multiplied how many times? Infinite times. Infinite is not a particular number. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so it gives the infinite. It gives what? 0. Something by infinite is 0. So means it is not a particular number. Shall we take the point, a cross mark here on x-axis? It is not possible because it reaches to 0. You understanding now? Minus 2 का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 power minus 2 बोले तो 1 by 2 square 1 by 4.25. So 0.25 is the particular value. तो 0.25 के लिए अपन क्या कर रहे हैं इधर? We are getting the what do you have? Cross point. But whenever minus infinite, here x reaches to infinite, not infinite, equal to. So our graph will be like this. Next, cube ले लो 8. 2 cube 8 to power infinite means it goes to infinite. You observe this is the a power x exponential function. Okay, now this is the graph for 2 raised to x. Next 3 power x you take 3 power x 3 raised to x x equal to 0. 3 power 0 is 1. 3 power 1 is here 3. 3 power 2 is here 9. Means the graph will be moves from 1 only but above this graph. Okay, means like this only for graphs. Okay, so by using this example we comes to one concept is that our graph of a raised to x will be like this at x equal to 0. Okay, it reaches to 1. A raised to x. This is the graph of a raised to x. And also you see there, here a value what I am taking 2. A is equal to what I am taking 3. Means greater than 1 layer of y. So greater than 1 के लिए this is the case. This is the graph. और क्या सर ग्रेटर देन 1 से क्या ज्यादा है? 1 से और ज्यादा क्या है? 2, 3, 4, 5 अप टू इनफाइनाइट. बट आपका ये वैल्यू ऑब्जर्व करो, इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. 0 से बोले तो 0 to 1 बीच में अपन चेक नहीं किए. 0 to 1. चलो अपन क्या करेंगे? फॉर अनदर एग्जांपल व्हाट वी टेकिंग y is equal to 1 by 2 power x. What is 1 by 2? A equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means here a should be lies between 0 to 1. ये वैल्यू किसके बीच में है? 0 to 1 के बीच में है. चलो we see about its graph. इसका ग्राफ देखेंगे आप. Now we see about its graph. This is 0. Okay. Anyhow, something power 0 it gives the 1. Here only. X equal to 0 you substitute. Next 1. So 1 by 2 power 1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 बोले तो कितना है? 0.5. Here it is. Next 2. 1 by 2 का square. How much? 1 by 4. What is the 1 by 4 is? 0.25. आपको एक ऑब्जर्व आ रहा है. एक ऑब्जर्व मीन्स एक समझ में आ रहा है कि ग्राफ इधर ये जा रहा है, है ना? 1 by 2 cube 1 by 8 1 upon 8. Okay ना? It comes to what? Below this point. So it reaches to like this again infinite. So what about 1 by 2 power infinite? That is 1 upon 2 raised to infinite. That is 1 by infinite. That is again 0. Reaches to 0 but not equal to 0. That means our graph will be moving up to what? Nearly it is moving up to 0. 0 means what? On x-axis we have 0 will be there. So comes to negative part. Minus 1. Okay. What about 1 by 2 power minus 1? It gives 1 upon 2 raised to minus 1. It comes to numerator 2 raised to plus 1. तो minus 1 का वैल्यू क्या हो रहा है? Plus 2. So you have to observe minus 2. 1 by 2 power minus 2. 2 raised to minus 2. बोले तो how much? 4. 1 by 4 means 4 it gives. Here it is. Minus 2 का value जो है, here 4 will be there. Minus 2 का 4 here. So the graph will be like. So you comes to one understanding. What about that? Whenever here, okay, y is equal to a raised to x. When a is lies between 0 to 1, our graph will be moving a 0 or a 1. So one say it moving towards 0. Okay na? So it is also y equal to a raised to x graph only. But here a should be lies between what? 0 to 1. So this is graph of a power x. This is called as exponential function. So what is the condition for this? A should be greater than 0. What about that? A should be greater than 0 positive and a should be not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. Now this graph, this function is called as an exponential function. Okay, this is about the exponential function a raised to x. In both cases the graph is a greater than 1 and a less than 1. Okay, so comes to logarithms. Suppose if you take any one of the exponential function, y is equal to a raised to x or a raised to x is equal to y. Now here what are the conditions we have? Where a should be positive and a is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. So whatever the result, result क्या आ रहा था वो भी आपको पता है. You have result means what? If you observe the graph, a power x का graph देखे थे अपन. क्या देखे थे? a raised to x graph. This is. Another one is a raised to x graph. Here which case? For a greater than 1. Here it is a lies between 0 to 1. है ना? So what is the result means? The graph will be lies between these values. That is called as the result. Okay, जो graph actually कहाँ से start हो रहा है? ये this is x axis. यहाँ पर y is equal to क्या होता है? 0 होता है. y is equal to 0 से लेके कहाँ तक जा रहा है? y is equal to infinite तक जा रहा है. Which is called as range. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फंक्शन का रेंज बोलते हैं. रेंज मीन्स द आउटकम. ओके, द ग्राफ लाइज बिटवीन वेयर टू वेयर. कौन सा पॉइंट से कौन सा वैल्यू से कौन सा वैल्यू तक है उसको रेंज बोलते हैं अपन. सो अब ये ग्राफ को आप ऑब्जर्व करें तो y इज इक्वल टू, अपन ग्राफ क्या निकालते हैं? y इज इक्वल टू a पावर x. ओके ना? x वैल्यू इसमें फंक्शन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो रिजल्ट क्या आता है? y आता है. y वैल्यू चेक करना है तो x एक्सिस के ऊपर y इज इक्वल टू 0 है. यहाँ पर y इज इक्वल टू 0, नेक्स्ट y इज इक्वल टू 1, नेक्स्ट 2 3 4 5 अप टू व्हाट? इनफिनिट. तो आपका y वैल्यू जो है इज ग्रेटर देन 0. y क्या हो रहा है? पॉजिटिव हो रहा है. नॉट ओनली इन दिस केस, यू ऑब्जर्व हियर आल्सो. यहाँ पर भी आपका y वैल्यू कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? इज इक्वल टू 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. इधर 1 एंड ग्राफ विल बी मूविंग अप टू व्हाट? इनफिनिट. इधर डिफरेंट आता है ना? y इक्वल 0, इधर y वैल्यू 1, इधर y इक्वल टू कुछ 4 आया था ना. 2 स्क्वायर लिए थे अपन. 2 पावर x 2 स्क्वायर, 2 पावर 2 स्क्वायर बोले तो 4, 2 क्यूब 8, ऐसा 2 पावर infinite. So this is actual what is the result of y is greater than 0. Now we comes to our actual definition of logarithm. That is, if a power x is equal to y, then what do you have? Exponential function. अभी क्या करो? x is equal to, we want to find out, this is called as base a. Now base a we are moving towards y, then it takes log to the base a of y. Now it is called as a logarithmic function. What about x? X is equal to the base a. A is the base. Now we are moving towards y. Then it becomes the what? Log to the base a of y. And conditions already here you know. The base a should be same condition, greater than 0. Base a should be not equal to 1. And here it is called as value. The y value should be greater than 0. Y is not negative. y नेगेटिव नहीं होता है और y जीरो भी नहीं होता है, y क्या होता है? ओनली पॉजिटिव. ओके, y इज ओनली पॉजिटिव. सो दिस फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज log to the base a of y, which is called as a logarithmic function. It is a logarithmic function. For example, you see that here. So exponential 2 cube is equal to क्या ले रहे हैं अपन? 8 बोल के ले रहे हैं, है ना? So this 3 is equal to क्या ले सकते हैं? कहते हैं base 2 you take this side, it can be taken as log to the base 2 of 8. Okay ना? This is exponential form and it is logarithmic form. Okay, so 3 value 3 we want to find out. The base 2 you take this side, it becomes the log to the base 2 of 8. Okay, now comes to what? Another example. For example, 10 raised to minus 2. 10 raised to minus 2, that is 1 by 10 square, that is 1 upon 100, which is equal to 0.01. Correct? 1 upon 100, it is 0.01. So this minus 2 is equal to base 10 you take this side, so log to the base 10 of 0.01. So मैं इधर क्या ले रहा हूँ? मैं इधर 3 पॉजिटिव आ रहा है. log to the base a of y is equal to x. What is x? You know, here already you know. X is what? Any real number. X be the any real number. So जो इसमें log में जो रिजल्ट आता है, resultant's value, okay, it is any real number. माइनस इन्फानाइट टू प्लस इन्फानाइट आ रहा है, वही तो दिखा रहा हूँ मैं. इधर पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, नेक्स्ट इधर नेगेटिव आ रहा है ना. नेक्स्ट इफ यू टेक अनदर एग्जांपल, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 3 power 0 is equal to 1. Exponential. So 0 is equal to base 3, you take this side. It becomes the what? Log to the base 3 of 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So these are the examples for what? Another one if you want, you see that here 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5. 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5. चलो change into log. Log में change करो इसे. Then 1 is equal to base 5, you take this side. It becomes like this. Log to the base 5 of 5. Okay. So this is about the logarithmic function. So what is the actual definition is, if any exponential function a raised to x is equal to y, then the base you take this side, then x is equal to, we are getting a logarithmic function. X is equal to log to the base a of y, which is called as a logarithmic function. Okay, this is here, you know, the conditions of a, base a value conditions, these both, and y value condition greater than 0. Resultant, log का resultant क्या हो रहा है मालूम है क्या? Belongs to r, x be the any real number. Okay, this is, and here also we have two cases for graph. Okay sir, now see it. So graph of log x to the base a. Okay, so here also we have two cases. What is the graph will be there like this? Log x का graph. This is x-axis and real numbers minus infinite to plus infinite, and it is y-axis. So I'm directly taking what? Our graph, because we want to know about the properties. After that every value अपन find out कर सकते हैं. So first we see about the graph of this. So log x जो graph जो है, it will be moving towards like this, minus infinite to, and it intersects the x-axis at 1 and reaches to up to infinite. This is the graph. For what? Log to the base a of x. Okay, here a is greater than 1, the case is, okay na, and y is equal to log to the base a of x. The graph of log x is, if you want you find out. Okay, just now we see about what here in example, log 1 become the what, 0 for any base. देखो 3 power 0 1 होता है, 4 power 0 1 होता है, 10 power 0 भी 1 होता है. So log 1 to the base 3 रहने दो, log 1 to the base 10 रहने दो, उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है, 0 होता है. तो log of 1 वैल्यू क्या हो रहा है, 0. रिजल्ट इज y वैल्यू, y is means on x axis y is equal to 0. So this is the graph of log x. Next, for a greater than 1, suppose if you want to see about the another case, a should be lies between 0 to 1, है ना. So उसके लिए now the graph will be like this. Here it is 1 minus infinite to minus infinite to plus infinite. The graph will be like this. Okay, here negative infinite, positive infinite, here also. So this is which is same log x graph only. So a भी log x का graph है. Okay, for a should be lies between what, 0 to 1. So you remember these graphs, exponential and logarithmic expression. Okay, and you observe our conditions. Conditions क्या है, इधर a greater than 1 बोल रहे हैं, log का condition है. और x क्या ले रहे हैं अपन, what is x in our definition of log, all real numbers. x value अपन कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. and what is the result, result क्या है सर, इधर y. ओके ना, इधर x वैल्यू क्या लेते हैं अपन, log के जो साइड में वैल्यू है it should be positive. ओके, x should be positive, x greater than 0. That's why x value start from 0 onwards. After 0 it will be start, है ना. So log 1 क्या हो रहा है, 0 हो रहा है, log 2 का वैल्यू, log 3 का वैल्यू, log 4 का वैल्यू. ओके ना, सिमिलरली log infinite का वैल्यू. नेक्स्ट log 1 से बिफोर log 1/2 का वैल्यू. ओके ना, point something, log 0.5, log 0.6, that values will be goes under the x axis. Okay, so this is about the graph of log x for a greater than 1 case and a lies between 0 to 1. And you observe the range. Range means, already I said, the resultant of the graph, the output of the graph. Okay, that means y value we are finding. So what is the y value is, y axis के ऊपर आप observe करें तो ग्राफ यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, y माइनस इन्फिनिट से कहाँ तक जा रहा है, वो प्लस इन्फिनिट तक जा रहा है. तो द रिजल्टेंट, लॉग का जो भी रिजल्टेंट आउटपुट जो होता है, all real numbers. Log का output all real numbers. In this case also you observe minus infinite, here it is, graph will be moving towards up to what, positive infinite. So the output y should be what, any real number. तो इससे आप क्या बोल सकते हैं, log x का जो रिजल्ट होता है means range बोलते हैं अपन. Now that range is any real number. एंड लॉग में जो वैल्यू अपन सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं उसको डोमेन बोलते हैं अपन. व्हाट इज द डोमेन ऑफ लॉग फंक्शन इज ग्रेटर देन 0, x ग्रेटर देन 0, 0 से स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट आवर ग्राफ ऑफ लॉग. सो कम्स टू नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीज. Comes to next properties. Logarithm properties. So in these properties, the first one is the definition. What is that? A raised to x is equal to y. Then x is equal to what do you have? Log to the base a of y. This base a comes to this side, become the what? Log to the base a of y. Chalo, now you say about what are the conditions for a, for y, for x. In both, it will be satisfies both the conditions. Okay, both the functions. Sorry. Okay, so where what is a? A should be positive and a is not equal to 1. Okay ना? First case it is also applicable this and here also same ये है ना, तो same condition satisfy करता है. Next y. So what is the y is? Y is always greater than 0. You know log takes only positive values. Next resultant x जो है या पावर में x जो है, you know it is what? It takes all real numbers. Okay ना? This is the first property we have. Similarly, you know that a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Then you apply what? Logarithmic condition. Exponential है, logarithmic में convert करो. Base a इधर आए तो क्या होता है? Log to the base a of 1 is equal to 0. This means log of 1 is equal to 0 for any base. Next, we comes to what? Another one is a raised to 1 is equal to a. Okay, this base a you take this side, so log this base a we are getting this side. Base a of a is equal to 1. That means log of base or value दोनों भी same होगा, तो what is the result we have? 1. For example, log base 2 of 2, log base 1000. So mn is equal to what we are getting? A raised to x plus y. Okay. So we base a if what do you have? Exponential function. So base a you take this side, it become log to the base a of mn is equal to x plus y. Next, log to the base a of mn is equal to x. Whatever x is equal to, we take a log m. Okay, and what about y is equal to, we take n log n. So this is our next problem. So next, the sixth one is we have log to the base a of, there we taken m into n product. Now we are taking division m by n. So this can be taken as log to the base a of m minus log to the base a of n. Okay. So now we see about its proof. What are you taking? Same methods. You apply same method. Log m is equal to, you take x. There भी वैसे लिए थे अपन उधर भी. Okay. Log n is equal to y. Okay. Then by using our exponential form, a raised to base a you take this side. A raised to x is equal to m. A raised to y is equal to n. Okay, now comes to what? We want to find out log to the base a of m by n. क्या निकालना है अपने को? m upon n we want to find. M upon n. So what about m means? A raised to x. What about n is? A raised to y. Then m upon n is equal to a raised to x minus y. Okay, or you know that base a you take this side. So what it becomes? Log to the base a of m by n is equal to x minus y. Log to the base a of m upon n is equal to what we are getting? X minus y. Okay, now we continue this. Then log to the base a of m upon n is equal to x is equal to क्या लिए थे अपन? Log m. Y is equal to क्या लिए थे अपन? Log n. Now this is our next property number 6. Okay. So this is the property number 6. Division form में है m upon n. Then it can be taken as what? Log to the base a of m minus log to the base a of n. For example, you see that here for this log to the base a of 2 upon 3 is given. So you have to write log 2 minus log 3. Okay, so this is our logarithmic properties, and so many properties are there. That one we see in the next class, means what, in next video. Okay, thank you. For inquiries, admissions, new videos, contact this given number. Thank you.